To demonstrate handling of binary files, we need an interesting binary data format. The BMP file format contains device-independent bitmaps and is simple enough that we can make a BMP file writer from scratch in this session. The code will be placed in a module bmp.py and is straightforward from a file handling point of view. For simplicity's sake, we have decided to deal with 8-bit grayscale images, which have the nice property that they are 1 byte per pixel. The write grayscale function accepts 2 arguments, the file name and a collection of pixels. As the docstring points out, this collection should be a sequence of iterable series of integers. A list of lists of int objects will do just fine. Each int is a pixel value from 0 to 255. Each inner list is a row of pixels from left to right, and the outer list is a list of pixel rows from top to bottom. The first thing we do is figure out the size of the image by counting the number of rows to give the height and number of items in the 0th row to get the width. We assume, but don't check, that all rows have the same length. In production code, that's a check we would want to make. Next, we open the file for write in binary mode using the WB mode string. We don't specify an encoding. That makes no sense for raw binary files. Inside the with block, we start writing what is called the BMP header, which begins the BMP format. The header must start with a so-called magic byte sequence, BM, to identify it as a BMP file. We use the write method, and because the file was opened in binary mode, we must pass a bytes object. The next 4 bytes should hold a 32-bit integer containing the file size, but we don't know that yet. We could have computed it in advance, but we'll take a different approach of writing a placeholder value for now, then returning to this point later to fill in the details. To be able to come back to this point, we use the tell method of the file object to give us the offset from the beginning of the file for the file pointer. We'll store this in a variable which will act as a sort of bookmark. We write 4 0 bytes as a placeholder, using escaping syntax to specify the zeros. The next 2 pairs of bytes are unused in this format, so we'll just write 0 bytes for them too. The next 4 bytes are for another 32-bit integer which should contain the offset in bytes from the beginning of the file to the start of the pixel data. We don't know that value yet either, so we'll store another bookmark using tell and write another 4-byte placeholder. We'll return here shortly when we know more. The next section is called the image header. The first thing we have to do is write the length of the image header as a 32-bit integer. In our case, the header will always be 40 bytes long. We'll just hardwire that in hexadecimal. Notice that the BMP format is little endian. The least significant byte is written first. The next 4 bytes are the image width as a little endian 32-bit integer. We call a module scope implementation detail function here called _int32 to bytes, which converts an int object into a bytes object containing exactly 4 bytes. We then use the same function again to deal with the image height. The remainder of the header is essentially fixed for 8-bit grayscale images, and the details aren't important here, except to note that the whole header does in fact total 40 bytes. Each pixel in an 8-bit BMP image is an index into a color table with 256 entries. Each entry is a 4-byte blue, green, red color. For grayscale images, we need to write 256 4-byte gray values on a linear scale. This snippet is fertile ground for experimentation, and a natural enhancement to this function would be to be able to supply this palette separately as an argument to the function. At last, we are ready to write the pixel data, but before we do, we make a note of the current file pointer offset using tell, as this is one of the locations we need to go back and fill in. Writing the pixel data is straightforward enough. We use the reversed built-in function to flip the order of the rows. BMP images are written bottom to top. For each row, we simply pass the iterable series of integers to the bytes constructor. If any of the integers are out of the range 0 to 255, the constructor will raise a value error. Each row of pixel data in a BMP file must be a multiple of 4 bytes long, irrespective of the image width. To achieve this, we compute the number of padding bytes required by subtracting the row length modulus 4 from 4. This value is used with a repetition operator applied to a single 0 byte to produce a bytes object containing 0, 1, 2, or 3 bytes. We write this to the file to terminate each row. After the pixel data, we are at the end of the file. We undertook to record this offset value earlier, so we record the position using tel into an end of file bookmark variable. Now we can rewind and fulfill our promises by replacing the placeholder offsets we recorded with the real thing. To do this, we seek back to the size bookmark we remembered back near the beginning of the file and write the size stored in the EOF bookmark as a little endian 32-bit integer using our underscore int32 to bytes function. Finally, we seek to the pixel data offset placeholder bookmarked by pixel offset bookmark and write the 32-bit integer stored in pixel data bookmark. As we exit the with block, we can rest assured that the context manager will close the file and commit any buffered writes to the file system.